Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing. One of my favorite boxes has arrived. FabFitFun box, and it is the spring edition, which is extra joyful because that means that spring is right around the corner, hopefully. It is still like 20 degrees here in Chicago. Super sunny, but still only 20 degrees. I'm going to start off by saying that I've had a very productive Sunday, so if I could get through this video, it's going to be like plus because I'm going to the gym right after this, doing some arms. But anyway, I want to show you guys what I got in my box today. So while I crack into it, I have to share with you guys what I've done today because it's like 3 o'clock. The kiddo is napping right in there. But we went to breakfast, we went grocery shopping, finally got some eucalyptus, and we went to Home Goods, got kids some toys, and then we came back home, took a nap. He's down for a nap. I've been in the kitchen just chopping and cooking. I currently have the oven on, that's why I have like no shirt on because the condo is extra toasty with the sun beaming in and the oven on, and I've been juicing and I am just like go. I'm going to crash right after the gym, but for now I'm like a little chatty Cathy over here. I'm going to show you guys what I got in my FabFitFun box. So a couple of things is that I actually, as being a subscriber to FabFitFun, you get options to buy stuff on their website at like a discounted price. So I got a couple of things extra that did not come as part of my box, and I'm going to start by saying as well that curiosity got the best of me. I've already peeked in here and I know everything that I got, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to start off by separating the items that I purchased so I can briefly go over them. The first one is this Dr. Brandt magnetic mask. I've seen this all over social media and it's probably been like a year, but I'm like the late goose, or what do you call it? I don't know. I'm always late to the party pretty much. So I was just really tempted to try it. So when I saw this on their site, I was just like, I have to give it a try. And so it comes, the thing comes with the little mask and then the magnetic triangle. The question I asked myself is, would I repurchase it? I probably will not. I was just really curious to try it, so that's why I bought it. I didn't notice anything great. I did try it already. I didn't notice anything great on my face afterwards, and I'm really leaning more towards like the all-natural products, and this is like completely lab formulated. It threw me off. So like I knew that you were going to be able to swipe it off with the magnet. So you wrap a tissue and you swipe, and then the mask kind of comes off and it ends up being on the tissue. What I did not expect was that when I tried to like lift the tissue to move the magnet to a clean spot so I can keep taking it off, the mask itself was super magnetic to the magnet. So I'm like, whoa, what am I putting on my face and what am I throwing to the garbage, you know? So this was kind of like a one and done. I wanted to try it out, and that's it. The next thing I got was this mask bar. It is illuminizing charcoal mask, a peel off. I love peel offs. I feel like they really remove like all the grime off my face. So I really had to give this one a try. I actually have not tried this one though, so we'll see how. Oh, you have to leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes for it to completely dry. And then you just gently peel it off in a downward motion and then remove the residue with warm water. It's kind of a long time to have a mask on, for me. Next one is a RCO detangling spray. I love hair stuff. I usually get my hair cut about every 6 months when I'm trying to grow it out. So I end up with like, I'm already at the point, my 5th month. So a lot of my ends are usually kind of dry. So I usually try products to help it not look so dead. So those were the 3 items that I actually purchased as extras. And then because I hit like $45 spent or something like that. I got a free deodorant, and this is up my alley. This is the no aluminum, all natural, plant-based deodorant. I am on the hunt for a naturally derived deodorant, no aluminum, all those type of things. So far I've been kind of unsuccessful, which means that I have been stinky at the gym, but I will not give up. So I will give this one a try. I have not had a chance to smell it. It smells very lemony. Someone's up. Hi, Emma.
What are you doing, Mama?
Mama's making a video. You want to sit with Mama?
Yeah.
Okay. So this was like right up my alley to what I'm going for. And look what's up. Let's hope I can finish this video. Oh my gosh.
That's watermelon.
That's Mama's juice. You want some? Oh, I have to readjust the camera here. There we go. Hi, Emma. Get it?
What did it work for watermelon?
It's just red.
It didn't watermelon.
Oh, okay.
The watermelon.
Yeah. All right. Let's just keep going. Okay, let me see. What's next? Give me something. So he picked out my favorite item from the box. It is a Swell water bottle. If you know me personally, you know that my staple is always carrying around a reusable water bottle. Like always. If I leave the house without my water bottle, I feel like I'm gonna die of thirst. Okay, I know I could buy a water bottle out there, but it makes me, I'm guilty to just put more plastic out in the world. So I have reusable water bottles for him, for myself. My husband has his own. So this is a great little addition to my collection already. And how cute is the color? Anyway, I really like it. I usually just add water, but apparently you can put cold or hot and they will last up to 24 hours. Okay, can I have the next piece?
That's a water bottle.
That is a water bottle. Okay, what's next? Next we have a lippy.
That's a lippy.
Yeah, so I have like 3 of these already. And my favorite thing out of this thing is, let me show you. Hold on. The fact that it's magnetic. So, you know, you apply it. This is very pinky for my preference, but you know, summer's coming. Maybe I'll get out of my norm and explore new things, put some color in my face. But here's the best part out of this thing. It's like magnetic. I know, sometimes it's just the simple things in life, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Next item, please.
Yes.
That one? Okay.
That's a tool of my day.
That's right. That is for your face. This is a purifying face cleanser by Tula. And this probiotic gel-based cleanser removes dirt, impurities, makeup gently and effectively. Skin is left balanced, clarified, and prepped. So it's just a facial cleanser. Next one, please. Let's cooperate. It's my little helper. This is a ID Puffing Gel by Dr. Brandt. I am not a person that goes out and gets facials. I think
Hi.
So exciting. I think I've gotten a facial maybe 5 times in my lifetime, and that's pushing it. They're pricey, they are time consuming. So I am big fan of in-home skincare. So that's why I do the masks and buy all this stuff and do the serums and the toners and all this stuff I like. So this is an ID Puffing Gel, and I think I'm gonna really need it because, you know, with the next baby coming, those late nights, this will come in handy. Definitely, this will come in handy. Okay, one more please. What's next?
Marshmallow.
It's right over there. That's sleepy face. That's Milo. What is he chewing on? Can I have another one, please?
This one is a toy.
He's chewing on his toy. Okay. Can I have one? I just took it off my hand. Oh, this is a big one. All right. This is the champagne. Why can't I say that? A champagne charcoal scrub. I love to exfoliate. I usually just use coffee grounds. They are amazing in the shower. Full body, leave my skin just feeling amazing. So after I use my coffee press, whatever is left over, whenever I plan on exfoliating, I just take the leftover grounds, the used up grounds, and I use it all over my body. And the coffee grounds are amazing. So I usually don't buy scrubs because I just use the coffee grounds, but I am definitely very excited to give this one a try. Then there's a Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial by cutest. I love these because they are like effortless. You just, wash your face at night, apply this, go to bed, wake up, and you have amazing skin. I never tried this one. Tempted though. I've seen it like at Sephora, and I'm like, oh, I think I need something like this in my life. Just the simplicity of it. But anyway, I'm very excited that I got this. I just, as a mom, the simpler the better.
Where is Dada?
Oh, Dada went to the gym. Dada went to the gym, and then Mama's next. Yeah?
Mama here.
Mama's right here, yeah. Next, I've got a leave-in conditioner by Oi. Again, I'm a big hair treatment kind of girl. Leave-in conditioners are my favorite because I hate when I have to put a mask on and then I have to wash my hair, put the mask on, and then wash my hair again. Oopsies.
What is that?
I don't know. I think it was a remote. Last but not least, a diffuser. This is gonna go be in Matthew's room. I actually already own a diffuser and I love it. My mom loves essential oils, so she got us a diffuser and a ton of oils. I have so many oils. But I wanted to get one for this little boy to put in his room. And this is perfect because of its size. Look at this great little looking egg. And it comes, it's an egg, yeah. And it comes with an essential oil called Happy. And I assume it's citrusy because it has an orange. Ooh, look at it, smell it. Ooh, nice, huh?
It's yellow.
It's yellow? It
Yeah.
smells like an orange. Right?
Yeah.
So,
Put it right there.
yeah, okay. So it also turns colors. I haven't had a chance to try it out, but we will see. And that is it for my FabFitFun spring box. Success! Success! Yay! A successful Sunday! Yay! Alright, you guys. A little flexing. Let me show you your muscles. Show me your mad dog. Yay! I am seriously gonna let you guys go now. I am like super chatty today. Yeah, good job. Bye guys.